Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to be showing you guys how to do this fabulous voluminous 70s hairstyle. So let's go ahead and get started. Alright you guys, so I'm going to start with just curling my hair, and then I'm going to add my BELLAMI extensions. I love these. It will at least add even more volume to this look. So let's go ahead and get started. I think it looks very good. If I could rock this look every day I would, but this takes forever. Oh, I love it. Oh, I could go for this look all day every day. That is how I did it. So I just kind of like played with the waves, and I do have shorter hair, so I kind of just played with that as like if there were layers, and then just put it in with my extensions, and I think they look fantastic. So what do you guys think? I love it. And if you guys love the 70s, give this video a like. And also, if you guys have not subscribed, subscribe for new content every week. That way you can be part of the fashionista crew. Also, if you have an Instagram, follow me at Marissa Fashionista 101. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.